Good morning, everybody. It's StackSmart here again, and yeah, apologies for not posting for a couple of weeks. Sometimes when you've had a YouTube channel for a long time, you need a little bit of a rest and recoup for a bit. It gets a bit relentless at times, posting every week and dealing with all of the comments and everything that come through. And also in the silver market, I knew that this rally was going to come, but it took longer than I expected for it to come, so I didn't want to post after I'd said there'd be a rally without that rally having happened. So I hope that makes sense. Anyway, there was two very significant things that happened over this last couple of weeks. The first one is that Bundesbank revealed and Deutsche Bank revealed that there was some silver manipulation happening, and they were prepared to whistle blow on other banks that were also manipulating the silver price. So that has released silver a little bit to run due to that news. And also the Shanghai exchange has come live over the last few days, and that allows what's called an arbitrage for people to make money by buying silver in the markets on the LBMA and selling it in the Shanghai for a higher price, and that has also rallied the metals. Now, as you can see, we've hit the 17 handle yesterday. As you can see here by this line I'm just putting in at 17. Let me just make it the right number. Make it white so we can see it. And that is a significant number for the metals. So we may get like a little pause in the rally here, depending on what happens, Shanghai wise. I mean, if the price of silver in Shanghai is like $20 and it's 17 here, then they will level out. Quite an interesting move. There's also a little bit of an inverted head and shoulders pattern here. So this is the left, this is the right shoulder. Here we've got the head, and here we've got the left shoulder. Don't want to confuse you too much. And you've got the shoulder line at here. Normally do these in blue actually, so let me just do the shoulder line there in blue. And let's do the headline here. I've already got a line there already. Let's get rid of that. So let's do that in blue. And the difference between those is around let's say $2. So this is predicting a rally of, so that's 16, that's 13.6, so 16, so about 2.5 from 16. We're talking potentially it could rally to 18.5 as the target for the inverted head and shoulder pattern eventually. So that's quite an interesting pattern, from 13 at the head, then we've got a shoulder, the neckline here at 16, and then that projects a target around 18 odd. And interestingly enough, if you increase that 18 line, it pushes us just underneath this high, which is also interesting, isn't it? So let's have a quick look at that on the, I have to look at daily, but maybe drill down a little bit. Let's see if it'll show us. as if it'll show us the charts. Okay, so that is showing us there's a lot of mess on this chart, but in essence we're starting to see a funnel forming, aren't we, which is going to look a bit like this from anyway. That's a crazy chart now with all those things on, but in essence I could see this rally continuing over the next few weeks to around $18, $18.5. In fact, it was up at 18.5, so I'll put it up there, which is interestingly enough the top of this rally here. So significant numbers there on the funnel side. So yeah, I think we're going to see continued rally due to the Shanghai exchange over the next few weeks, and we'll see how that pans out. If you haven't subscribed my other channel, I've got a really nice video on there today regarding Mexican libertads. So go over to my other channel to check out that libertad video, and subscribe, comment and like on this channel, and let's stack smart together. Hope that helped. Take care, bye now.